remove items from Temu order. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to remove items from your Temu orders. So first of all you have to do is just simply open your Temu account and just simply log into your account using your credentials. And once you're logged in into your account, just simply click on the profile section from the top right corner, and from there you will be able to see the option called your orders. Just simply click on it, and in the order section you will be able to see different tabs. It says all orders, processing, shipped, delivered and returns. So in the all orders section you will be able to see the list of the orders that you have purchased from your Temu account. As you can see that I don't have any order history in my Temu account, simply because I haven't purchased anything from my Temu as of now. But if you have purchased the item, you will be able to see the list over here. And in the processing section you will be able to see the item that has been processed that you have purchased. And in order to remove the items from your Temu orders section, you need to make sure that the products that you have purchased are still in process. So as long as your products are in the processing section, you will be able to remove them and cancel your order then and there. But if your order has been shipped, you won't be able to remove it from your order section. When your order has been shipped, the processing has been done, and you can't really cancel your order. For that you need to wait until your order gets delivered to you, and in order to get the return, you need to return this particular item, and then you will get your return for the purchase that you have made. So this is the only way through which you will be able to remove your items from your Temu orders list. So if your order has been shipped, you won't be able to return it or remove it from your order list, but if your item has been processing, you will be able to remove it quite easily. So this is basically how you will be able to remove item from Temu order. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.